mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. More manageable group. Just two guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? And hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Airselfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Airselfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Airselfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Airselfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Airselfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover.
I spent years searching for a tripod I could anchor, adjust, and aim while holding my breath in deep water. Couldn't find it, so I designed it. Brought it to Kickstarter. Now I'm bringing it to you. You should be able to put your camera where you want without fear and without lugging a lot of gear. With deployable stakes and multiple rigging points, you can connect Pakpod in ways that let you get great shots from almost any angle. It's quick to set up, easy to stow, compact, lightweight, waterproof. Built for adventure. Whether you shoot time-lapse, still photos, or video, Pakpod expands your creative possibilities. There's a lot to be said for traveling light. And there's lots of heavy tripods out there. But when you're out for the whole day, who wants to carry extra weight when you can use what's around you to steady the shot? Gear keeps getting smaller and better. Why weigh yourself down? Pakpod lets you grab life's best moments fast while you're having fun. You don't have to travel heavy to capture a light.
Pure relaxation is a touch of a button away. Intex brings you 2 lines of PureSpa to provide the ultimate portable spa experience anywhere you go. The easy-to-use control panel activates 120 soothing air bubbles or 4 high-performing water jets for a refreshing massage. The heating system adjusts to fit your personal temperature preference up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. PureSpa is built with puncture-resistant 3-ply laminated material, which is enhanced with lightweight, high-strength fibers for amazing durability and comfort. Introducing innovative patent-pending fiber tech construction, designed to offer superior structural stability while maintaining a comfortable surface for a luxurious and refreshing spa experience, unlike conventional inflatable spas. Here's clean, soothing water that is gentle on your skin and swim with. It also helps prevent calcium buildups in your spa system, so it can run smoother and longer for lasting enjoyment. And when combined with an optional eco-friendly saltwater spa sanitizer, the combo system provides the added benefit of clean spa water that is soft and gentle without harsh packaged chemicals. Both PureSpa models require only simple maintenance with easy-to-replace filter cartridges. Pure Bliss is a touch of a button.
When I go skiing, I like to stay connected, and there's only one way to ensure I don't lose my iPhone on the mountain. I use Highline. Here's how it works. Put your iPhone into the Highline case, attach the leash, then attach the lightning lock. Now you can use your iPhone with no worries about losing it off the lift or anywhere else. To detach the leash, simply lift up on the tab. The slim case is made of impact-resistant polycarbonate and textured for an improved grip. The leash is made with braided Kevlar, meaning it's thin but tough. And it's stretchy, so you can easily access your iPhone, letting you take calls, check in with your friends, record video, and of course take selfies, all with your iPhone still safely attached. Whether you're skiing, fishing, traveling, rock climbing, or just playing with your kids, make sure your phone stays with you using Highline.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.